black screen on your Windows 11 PC? Don't panic. Hey everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you 3 easy steps to fix a black screen in Windows 11. Simple, quick, and effective. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Restart your PC. Restarting your PC clears temporary glitches, and honestly, it works 90% of the time. Just click the Start menu, then the Power button, and choose Restart. Once your PC restarts, your screen should light up again. Step 2. Restart Windows Explorer. Sometimes restarting Windows Explorer fixes crashes causing the blackout. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Deleted on your keyboard. Click on Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, find Windows Explorer. Right-click it and choose Restart. Watch as your taskbar and desktop pop back. Easy peasy. Step 3. Check display settings. If your screen's still black, it might just be a display mix-up. Press Windows plus P on your keyboard. A menu will appear. Select PC screen only from the options. And that's it. Your display should snap right back into place. And there you have it. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick Windows tips and tricks.